it's really important to make sure that your presentation doesn't have any spelling or grammar errors. This can irritate an audience pretty quickly. To run a spell check and ensure that the spelling in the presentation is correct, you can either go to the Review tab in the ribbon and click the spelling button to the far left, or we actually added it to our quick access toolbar. And the shortcut key for running a spell check is the function key F7. If I click the spelling button, it will basically check if there are any words that are not in its dictionary and draw them to your attention. My spell check is complete and I'm good to go, so I just click OK, knowing that the spelling is OK according to the spell checker. If you really want to check the spelling correctly, then get somebody with a good handle on the English language or the language that the presentation is in to check the presentation for you. Now the other thing that you've got in PowerPoint is a thesaurus, and if you're trying to find a word, a synonym, a word of similar meaning, something different, then double click and select a word, right click and look for synonyms, words of a similar meaning. Now I find that often PowerPoint doesn't list synonyms, so I go into the thesaurus. The thesaurus then appears on the right hand side, and what it's done is it's looked up that word and given me alternative words, so I can perhaps change this word quick with the word swift just by hitting this down triangle and choosing the option insert. And now it's how to make money swift. Or I can choose a different word simply by hitting the drop down and go for speedy and insert that, how to make money speedy. Or I can go undo and put my quick back. So you have got a thesaurus which helps you find synonyms and sometimes antonyms, and the language is at the bottom. And when you're done, just hit the X and close the thesaurus. So definitely check your presentation for any spelling or grammar errors before putting it out onto an audience.